In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play on Xbox app PC with a PlayStation controller in Forza Horizon 6. This is going to work with both a DualSense and a DualShock, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, actually, you already have this program installed, but the program that you're going to want to go ahead and get is DS4 Windows. You need to search for ds4windows.com or just search for DS4 Windows. Select this first little link right here on any web browser. And of course, once you're on here, just hit download up here. It's going to load for a second. Scroll down on here a little bit. You're going to see a bunch of different download pop-ups. You need to make sure that you select specifically the official DS4 Windows download pop-up right here. Then after that, it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Hit download one more time, and it'll download a zip file to your PC. I recommend just dragging this off into your desktop because it's a little bit easier to open up. But essentially, go ahead and then right click on this file, and you need to go ahead and hit extract all, hit extract again. It's then going to open up another thing that looks like this, and as you can see, it's going to be right here for me. But go ahead and open that up, and you need to specifically look for the .exe file on here. This is the application file. So just find that application file, select it. It's going to load for a second, and you need to go ahead and select program folder, and then the actual first launch will go ahead and pop up. Now, there's a few things that you need to click on here, and it depends on which controller you're trying to get to work. For example, a DS4 device is going to be for those DualShock 4 controllers, so the PS4 controllers. And then of course, if it's a PS5 controller, you're going to want to do this DualSense device support, so that PS5 controller right here. So we're going to use the PS5 controller for the example of this video, but I recommend just keeping both of these ticked. Once you go ahead and do that, you essentially need to connect your controller. You can do this through two different ways. As you can see, I just disconnected my Xbox One controller down in the bottom right. We'll go ahead and connect my controller, my PS5 controller. I'm using USB-C to do this, but you can also use this with Bluetooth as well. If you just select this little icon right here, use Bluetooth, and then hit add Bluetooth device, and then connect your Bluetooth device like usual. It'll pop up in here. And then when you hit close on that one thing, it should redirect you, and you're going to see your controllers pop up in here as long as you had your settings correctly. Now, I'd recommend just minimizing this the first time that you do go ahead and do this. But go ahead and open up Forza Horizon 6, and as soon as you get into Forza Horizon 6, the controller is going to work in-game. Just keep in mind, it may still show Xbox button icons even while using a PlayStation controller. That's just kind of how it works. The button mapping is perfect though. That is how you can use a PlayStation controller here on Forza Horizon 6 through the Xbox app on PC. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.